everyone, it's Gemma here from Gem's Crafty Delights, and today I thought I'd do a completely different type of video, like a craft with me video instead, making up the Kscraft Gumball gift box. So yeah, I just thought something completely different and just see how it goes. So I've already die cut all of the pieces that you need. So here's the dies. If you know Kscraft dies, you'll know that all of the straight edge dies are your construction pieces, and any stitched pieces are your layering decorative pieces. So you've got this one here, which is the for the bottom of the box. That's that one. That's obviously your layering piece for that piece if you want to use it. This die will make the sides, which is this piece with the tabs on. Then you've got this piece, which adds as an extra layer for this piece to make it thicker and more sturdy, which I've already gone ahead and done. Then of course that is your layering piece, which are these, which is going to be obviously your decorating piece. Then you've got this one, which creates the top of the box where this container will sit. And then there is your decorating piece for that one. And then these are all your pieces to decorate with. This makes the little turn piece like you would have on a gumball machine. This is the top decorating piece, which is this piece. I've already gone ahead and popped it together. And then that's that piece. So you get the layering hearts with it and the little thing, and I've just popped a little gold pearl on. And I've put some little tiny foam pads on the back just to give it a bit of dimension. So yeah, those are all the dies. So that's them. So I've already, as I said, cut the pieces out. I cut the bottom piece twice because this card is a little bit thin. Like if you were using a thicker card, maybe 300 GSM, it probably wouldn't be as bad. I've cut all my side pieces. The top piece, I cut that 3 times because it's really got to support this, and it depends as well what you're going to put in it, whether you're going to put, say, like beads in, charms, where it could get quite heavy. So yeah, so that's enough waffling. Let's get on and put it together. So first off, we're going to glue this long tab here. So just pop some glue on there, and just bob these out the way a minute, and we're just going to line it up and glue it on. So just press it on. Whoops. Honestly, there's bits everywhere. And then just make sure it's in the right place. Then grab a bone folder and just give that a good press down. Then we'll go on to the next one. Same again. Glue on the little tab. Line it up. Oops. And press it down. And then just flip it over, make sure it's in the right place. And then we'll just keep doing that until we've got all 4 sides. This is a really pretty die. I've seen quite a few crafters make it now. That what I really probably should have done is put my pattern pieces on first. Never mind. We could still do that. But yeah, pop your pattern papers on first. It just makes it a little bit easier. So that's all of our pattern papers. And now we're going to glue the sides up like this. Like that. So you want glue on those tabs. Just bring it up. Sorry guys, I have to keep checking if I'm actually in frame. As I said, this is totally new for me, so, and I'm still getting used to doing videos. But we'll get there. So yeah, just glue that so it makes a nice edge. Just press and hold it for a minute so the glue grabs. And then the next one, bit of glue. And just do the same. Just like that. And then this one, we'll just do this one here and then on the other side. So we can bring that one in and this one as well. Just trying to hold it together and then go over to this side. And again, just press and hold it. Just so that the glue grabs. Yeah, and there's the little box. So then we just need to do our top piece. So let's glue the pattern paper onto the top. So that just gets glued on there. And then you want glue on all four of those. Try and get right in the corners. And then we're just going to pop this little piece on the top. Just press. Whoops. And hold it down. And just make sure the tabs inside are grabbing. It is a bit fiddly, but you will get there. Just use a bone folder to press it down. Like so. So there's the cute little box. Then this piece, which creates the little mechanism, just gonna, whoops, did that just, honestly I'm always making a mess. And then we're just gonna pop this on the front at the bottom. So that's that on there. Then we need to glue the bauble onto here. So I've already got the hot glue gun on. Let's move that out the way and heat it up. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue around this rim. Oops. And then we're going to grab our bauble and we're going to put it like this, so that the top is pointing away. If you do it this way you can still open it and put goodies in and things like that. So just hold it while it sets. How cute is that already? Really nice. And then this little top piece, I've cut it out twice in Miri card and a piece of foam. Oops, that's not quite stuck. And then I've just cut the smaller hearts in gold glitter. Again, I'm just going to put hot glue down the edge. Try not to get too much. And then we're just going to glue this on the top like so. And then just press and hold that a second. Yeah, and that's it. That's how you put together the Kscraft Gumball gift box. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of these types of videos, and I'll see if I can. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.